Alright guys, we get action playing Dynamite Dash, the all-aboard game. So I've been playing this a little bit, guys, and I forgot to record it. So anyway, I put 200 in, and I got 537 now. But I think I might take a shot here, guys, and do $25 per spin. So I got 537 in the account. 10-cent denom, $25 spins, and we got action. Let's go. Let's see if we can get 6 strains here. Taking a shot. Nope. Oh, we got it! What the hell? On the 3rd spin? Oh my God! Come on, word. Yes, guys, we got $300 mini bonus. Right in the front door. Let's go. Oh, come on. Yes, go. All right, I'll take 2. When it's that much, guys, I'll take it, man. Oh, 1. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Yes, we got it. We got it. 1 at a time, too, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, one more time. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Yes! Yes! Come on, baby. One time. Come on. Here we go. All right, last spin. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes! Holy cow, guys. Whoa, this is huge. Let's do it. Why not me? Yes! Come on, baby. I love this game, man. One more. Why not me? Why not me? Last spin. Oh! Unbelievable, guys. Oh my God, guys. $3,035, guys. All right. Listen, you know me, though. We got to do some backups, right? 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, cashing out. I put 200 in, 3,400 out, guys. You can't make this up. Let's go. We got action. All aboard Dynamite Dash.